Yesterday I told you about past indefinite tense. Good morning, students. Now I shall tell you about future indefinite tense. Future coming time, आने वाला समय, इसकी रिकॉग्निशन है. एक्शन विल गो ऑन, कार्य जारी रहेगा. बी फाइंड गा गी गे इन द एंड ऑफ सेंटेंसेज. Be find, ga, gi, ge in the end of sentences in Hindi sense. What is the rule? With I and B. Here are two subjects, I and B. I is singular, B is plural. B put shall plus first form of verb. With he, she, it, you, they and plural subjects. Plural subjects. We put will plus first form of verb. In negative, shall not, will not plus first form of verb according subject. Interrogative, we put shall, will according subject plus first form of verb plus question mark. Now you see मैं स्कूल जाऊंगा. मैं स्कूल जाऊंगा. Here we find ga. Ga gi ge. If we find at that time, we understand that it is the tense of future indefinite tense. I, who, will go. I is subject. What helping verb we put? Shall. We shall go to school. It is the affirmative sentence. I shall go to school. Ga gi ge. The meaning of ga gi ge, shall and will. But I and B we put shall plus first form of verb plus object. मैं नहीं विद्यालय नहीं जाऊंगा. नहीं जाऊंगा. मैं विद्यालय नहीं जाऊंगा. I shall not go to school. I shall not go to school. मैं विद्यालय नहीं जाऊंगा. I shall not go to school. It is a negative sentence because here we find not or na or नहीं. Interrogative sentence, क्या मैं विद्यालय जाऊंगा? जाऊंगा क्वेश्चन मार्क. What are question word? Who, whom, whose, when, where, why, what, how many, how long, how much, how. These are the word of interrogative. क्या मैं विद्यालय जाऊंगा? Shall I go to school? Go to school. Here we put question mark, not full stop. मैं स्कूल जाऊंगा. फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट, व्हाट इज सब्जेक्ट? आई. सहायक हेल्पिंग वर्ब शैल. आई शैल गो टू स्कूल. मैं विद्यालय नहीं जाऊंगा. आई शैल नॉट गो टू स्कूल. क्या मैं विद्यालय जाऊंगा? शैल आई गो टू स्कूल. द फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस. वह स्कूल जाएगा. स्कूल और विद्यालय जाएगा. He, she, it, you, they, we put will. He will go to school. वह विद्यालय नहीं जाएगा. We put after will not. He will not go to school. क्या वह विद्यालय जाएगा? क्या वह विद्यालय जाएगा? Will he go to school? See, क्या वह विद्यालय जाएगा? इट इज इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. We put will or shall in the beginning. Will he go to school? One another kind of sentence. क्या वह विद्यालय नहीं जाएगा? विद्यालय नहीं जाएगा. First we put will. Will he not go to school. We shall study up to topic future indefinite tense. In affirmative, we put with I and we shall plus first form of verb. He, she, it, or any name, or you, they, with you, they, we put will plus first form of verb. In negative, we put shall not, will not according subject. वह स्कूल नहीं जाएगा, he will not go to school. In interrogative, we put shall will in the beginning, after that subject and first form of verb. क्या वह विद्यालय जाएगा, will he go to school? क्या वह विद्यालय नहीं जाएगा, will he not go to school? These are this type of sentence: affirmative, negative, interrogative. Now I shall tell you about WH word beginning sentence. वह कहाँ जाएगा, वह कहाँ जाएगा. What is the meaning of कहाँ? Means where. क्यों means why. क्या means what. कैसा means how. कितने means how many. कितना how much. कितने समय how long. वह कहाँ जाएगा, कहाँ, कहाँ means where. Will he go. तुम क्या करोगे, तो वह कहाँ कब जाएगा, वह कहाँ कब जाएगा. When will he go where. When will he go where. वह कहाँ कब जाएगा. Where in the last. When will he go to where. These are the WH type questions. वह क्यों नहीं आएगा, वह क्यों नहीं आएगा. Why will he not come. One rule is remain. There is one rule is remain. If we find ourselves in Hindi sense, we put will in the place of shall and we put in the place of will shall. मैं अवश्य पढ़ूंगा. पढ़ूंगा. I Here we put will, not shall, because here we find ours the word. वह अवश्य पढ़ेगा, पढ़ेगा. Who will read? He is subject. Here we put shall, because here we find our word. If we find ours or promise, there we put in the place of shall, will. If we find ours or promise, there we put in the place of will, shall. Future indefinite tense means which tense is coming, आने वाला tense. Recognition, action will go on, कार्य जारी रहेगा. Rules of translation, we shall put I, B plus shall plus first half form of verb. We will put will plus first form of verb. In negative, shall not, will not according subject. Interrogative, shall will in the beginning according subject plus first form of verb. In interrogative plus negative, we put shall, will before it interrogative word according subject, where we find avasya or promise, necessary or promise, we put in the place of shall, will. And where we find ours or promise with the subject he, she, it, you, they, we put in the place of will, shall. Welcome to all of you.